Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both mold and chocolate with intention. Clean the mold thoroughly and dry it. Water ruins shine and causes bloom. Once your chocolate is chopped, begin tempering, heat, cool, and reheat to the specified target temperature for the type of chocolate. Use a thermometer and work swiftly. This ensures stable cocoa butter crystals so your finished pieces snap and gloss. Make sure to have a piping bag or ladle ready so you don't stall when the chocolate reaches temper. Once tempered and fluid, fill each cavity with steady pressure. You can pipe, spoon, or pour. Tap the mold firmly on the counter to bring bubbles to the surface, then scrape across the top with a straight edge to level and remove excess. If making hollow shells, invert the mold after a brief set to drain excess chocolate back. Cool in a controlled environment at around 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Rapid chilling causes contraction and bloom, so be patient and uniform. You finish by unmolding with care. Flex the mold gently to loosen pieces and invert it onto a cool surface, tapping lightly to release. If the edge is uneven, trim cleanly with a warm knife. If making filled chocolates, add ganache or caramel now and seal with a thin melted chocolate layer. Once complete, polish with a soft cloth for shine. If chocolates are dull or sticky, recheck your temper and recoat or retemper the chocolate. Temperature control is the single most important fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.